In this section, I will show you how to make a vase from yeast butter. Why I choose butter? Because butter is very easy to get anywhere. This is very easy to do because you don't have to spend a lot of money to buy a new vase. You just take a bottle and then do it your creativity. So now let's make a
Finish. It's very easy to make it. I really hope you helpful and enjoy watching this video, and also don't forget subscribe my channel and please comment this video. Have a good day and thank you.